pellets into a vacuum chamber. Their exact formulation is a secret.
Mga toys.
An anti-reflection lens coating that lets more light come through the lenses. Inside the vacuum chamber,
Look.
a beam of electrons evaporates the pellets into microscopic particles that coat the lenses.
Luction. Ba. Ba. Masarap yan. Baby. Masarap yan. Halika na. A rice cake. Masarap yan bigay ni Ate Cha. Ha? Sarap yan, Beng. Look. Sarap yan. Flying kiss. Look, Sean. Flying kiss. Baby. Flying kiss. Mwah. Water cow. Water? No? Water? Water? Wait ka na. Water. Water cow? Water? Dali ate, bigyan mo siyang water. Oh, naku, makabatanggal ang leeg sa pag-water. Dili. Gusto mong water? Utos man. Oh, dali na. Yan na si ate. Bibigyan ka na ng water. Makain siya ng rice cake. Binigay ni Cha. Oh, yun na. Mag-water ka na. Uy. Ikaw na mag-pain. Sit down.
Sparklers have sizzled the party scene for decades, adding pyrotechnical
Sige, water. Uy. Galing. Ang galing mo.
Okay, hinga. Ayaw na ko. Hinga. Yan, kasi sumobra.
Can last a minute or more, depending on the length of the sparkler.
Mamaya na. Gusto mo na yan.
Water pa daw, dali.
Kailan mo na yun?
Ang dali nga, paano nga hawakan? Baba ka.
Opo, yun.
And the wires fall in single file into smaller openings.
Walang tapon.
The operator then moves a spring.
Wow, galing ah.
Ubus.
It opens.
Ubus na, wala na. Dagdagan pa natin. Dagdagan pa natin ng water.
Operator rocks the sorting machine overhead.
Water pa? Konti na lang. Water pa? Oo, konti na lang. O, hawak-hawak mabuti.
Akin na muna to.
Mami niya tignan yung paghawak ng baso.
The operator will handle to close the
Kain na ulit.